What's up, Overtakers? Here we are, another week, another video on Dave's car.
Yeah, part two. Part two of the interior upgrade on the HJ.
Finishing the job.
Yeah,
Well, finishing our part before we pass it on.
to the trimmer.
If you guys like these videos, make sure you hit like, subscribe, all those sorts of things. Hit the bell.
If you haven't been here before, I think it's important to know that we do a car video every Tuesday, whether it's us working on a car show, someone else's cool rides. We're showing something every Tuesday, right? So.
And Thursday Night Lights. So.
Yeah, spot on. So Thursday night we've got a live show, and that's just getting bigger and better every week, right?
Certainly is.
So last week, how much? We were over $300 worth of stuff given away.
Yes.
Yeah,
Huge.
there was heaps of bits and pieces, stuff from Super Performance, stuff from us, stuff from Finance My Ride. There was heaps of stuff given out. So make sure you get on that live show. At least once a month is a giveaway night.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, we should get stuck in. We've been talking for about 20 minutes.
Let's do it.
Alright, so what are we up to here?
Well, we're going to pull the door cards out, mate. So we'll take the armrests off, obviously the window winder. Start to take the door rubber coming off. I've placed them already previously. They shouldn't be coming off, but so yeah, we'll take the armrest off, and then window winder, handle. Then we pop this out. And then that's it. Take the door off.
Process 4 times.
That's pretty much it. Yeah. So you can see here, someone on all of them, they've tried to put a screw in here to try and hold it down, but obviously that's not worked. There's no screw in there now, so that's good. Looks like there is no screw in there either.
Screw in. Even really being held on there?
Screw in that one.
Okay. Just be careful in case it falls off after the one screw comes out.
That's a possibility. It is 45 years old, this car, so these things have probably been on and off a fair few times. There's one in that one that I don't think's actually screwed into anything. And there's one in that one, and it's not a star screw.
No. You've got different hardware. You got the right screwdriver now?
Go for a flat.
And the handle's off. She's looking a bit weathered. Probably pointing in the right direction. I guess it's what you get in this sort of age, right?
We can stay together. What's next? We're going to get this window winder off. Now there's a proper tool for that.
Do you have it?
No.
You've just got fingers and a screwdriver?
Yeah. Which we might get it. Put the when we put the new ones back on, we might get the actual tool. I'm not too worried about these door cards, but obviously we need a new winder for here as well.
And is he reusing these door cards at all, or is he just using them for the shape?
He'll use, there's a metal top in these up the top here, that he'll need.
Yep.
And anyone always needs those metal tops in these.
Okay.
See it.
Where's your clip?
mapping altogether.
And you just pop the whole thing off.
That's it. Feels like a few of the clips are already broken.
The door card itself's a little floppy because it's got a big crack in it.
It is, it's a little bit flaccid.
Seat's not very comfortable in the back.
You know what we do need?
A torch.
Yeah, we need some really good lights.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? Some good work lights.
Yeah.
That would be a wonder if there's a company out there that may be able to help us out with some good work lights.
Yeah, not sure.
I reckon there might be.
I think so. Well, that one looked like it was done up.
Slightly. Oh, okay.
Now, are you keeping your armrests? Is that? Or are you going to get slightly different ones?
No, I don't know what we'll do there yet. You can get the Kingswood ones, which are
Just the half?
just from there and don't have this bottom piece. Places like Rare Spares and Kingswood Country and that'll all have those ones.
Yep.
So they're pretty easy to get hold of, but
Spin the whole lot around. Alright, so we're calling it a day. We've been defeated by a bolt.
I can get the grinder in there.
What's that binder?
Actually, don't think that's the right size.
Have you got the right size?
Maybe I don't know.
Car was a lot comfier to sit in when it had seats in it.
So that's your metal tops there that you need.
Yep.
We'll put some new rubber strips on there, obviously. Some new backing boards, and then Greg at Spectrim will work his magic on that.
You can get rid of your renter's carpet.
What do you call it? Renter's carpet?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like the door pocket you have when you're not having a door pocket.
It's
That was
renter's.
the,
It's renter's carpet. It's what you put in your rental.
That was the upmarket premium Premier trim.
Yeah. Did they know it was renter's carpet when they premiumed it? No.
It's just flashed to have carpet, mate, not vinyl.
We then made our way across to the other side of the car to get the door cards out of the driver's side as well. After completing this process, which was virtually the same as the other side, except Dave put the handles back in as well, because he figured he probably should be able to open the doors from the inside, and also needs to wind up the windows. So after that, we took the seats out, both the front seats, because both of those are also headed off to Spectrim, and well, we'll cut over to some shots to show you what the problem is with the seats as well.
Show you the problems. Looks alright, this one so far.
problem.
Hey? That's terrible. Yeah, I told you they were bad. Oh, what about up there? There you go. That's the good one.
Well, this is the good one, and what does the bad one look like? I guess we're about to find out. It's fairly well held together by tape.
Right, the only thing better is if we could do it by with zip ties.
There's nothing left in these ones, they're just springs. Worst. Maybe not the worst seat out there, but it's not great either.
It's been pretty well hidden.
At least the seat covers are fairly well secure, they're never going to fly off.
No. I put them on as tight as I could to hide everything away.
What parts of the seat up?
Pepper up there.
You use the wrong colour tape, you can just hidden away with black.
Splash, it's got a good armrest.
This is torn actually, that's probably the best funny old seat setup.
What do you reckon, mate? Time to load this all in the ute and we'll go and see Greg from Spectrim.
Yeah, let's go do it.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Well, mate, that's it. It's all out of the car. It's at the trimmers, Spectrim. Check him out. Give him a like on Facebook, and
thumbs up.
give him a thumbs up. Tell him look after us and get that trim back so we can get the next video out for you. And look, I'm pretty keen. I can't wait to see it all done.
Yeah.
Get it
You've
back in
shown
the
me
car.
some pictures of your ideas, and I think it's going to look pretty good. So
You'll
people are going to have to wait.
Have to wait and see, won't they? So what do we got coming up in the next few weeks? We got
We got the truck day. We got the drags coming up. We got the Kenda testing. We got the Junga Bunga.
We got some no prep cash days. We got some Kenda as well. So drag radial is happening again. Kenda are bringing us some more drag radial action, and they got some days coming up in the next few weeks, and we'll be out there. We're going to bring you that action live. So
And also a video as well.
Yeah, we'll do some videos of it as well, of course, like we do, and drop that on our Tuesday nights. But watch out for the live streaming from there, from the No Prep Cash Days at Warwick.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's heaps more events coming up, and we'll try and bring some live streams to you guys. So make sure you help us out, support the show. If you're new to the show, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Yeah. Check out the socials, Facebook, Instagram, the website as well.
Yeah.
Buy yourself a jumper. We just got new ones in.
New hoodies.
Yep.
The brand new hoodies are in. We've got zip hoodies.
Zip up ones as well. What more could you want? Small
Yeah.
logo, big logo.
Yeah, this is the old ones.
Yeah.
New ones, heaps better.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Jump on it while they're still there.
Thanks to all our merch sponsors. Jump on our website and have a look who those guys are on our Facebook page and give all them a like as well. All right.
Well, we'll see you in the next one.
Stay in the rocket lane.